All right, everyone, I've reached into the bucket of locks that Jeff Moss sent me, and this one is labeled Really Crappy Lock. So I can only imagine that it is one of the challenge locks he sent me. I have no idea who made it, but we're going to pick it. And it does have a key, a very old style Corbin key. And it does work, only to the right. Let's go ahead and get inside of this bad boy here. Let me adjust my camera just a little bit here. Okay. Fiddled with the camera enough. I got it where I want it. So I want to use a kind of a heavy duty hook. It's got an oak handle, and I've used this pick a lot. Got a nice click out of 2. We'll click out of 4. I just felt something push up there. Okay, let me go ahead and reset real quick, because something didn't quite feel right, and I thought I was about to wind up dropping the tension wrench there. Okay, there was an overset right away. Nothing on 1, click off of 2, nothing on 3, and immediate overset on 4. So back to the front, 2, 3, nothing on 4, click for 5, nothing on 2, counter rotation on 1, and go from this ledge. There we go. 1 set, 2, 3, 4, and there we go. We're open off of 5. All right, so let's see what's in this really crappy lock. Some of the names we give things, folks. Gotta love it. I'll probably need that too, maybe. All right, so let's take these off. Okay. Didn't feel any T-pins, so I should just be able to go right in. And I did. I didn't even feel 6 pins. I thought there was only 5, but that tells you right there. 5 and 4 are kind of right at the shear line, or 6 and 4. So let's go ahead and dump these. And something interesting going on with 3 there. And 5. Alright. Looking at this plug, I see maybe some counter milling inside of chamber 1. And then whatever this is here on chamber 4, maybe it's just filed away a little bit. Okay. Spool, standard, If I can hang on to it, another spool. And a standard. Then that's below the shear line. The flip. Okay, I don't know what that's all about. Other than that. Okay. We do have very varying springs. I didn't think we did have that many different springs, but we do. There's my pin 6 spring. Doesn't look like there's any mods to the top. Alright. So let's go ahead and zoom in on these and take a look at what we got here. Alright, so all of the key pins are standard except for 4, which is a standard on top of a ball bearing. Get all these turned around. Oh, and there's one little difference I saw on one of these key pins. One of them looked like it was rounded out on the top a little bit, but must have been the light. Yeah, must have just been the light hitting it a certain way when I was looking at it through the camera lens. Anyway, I've got a spool, a standard, a spool, a standard, a Schlage tailpiece pin, and then a serrated. With all different types of springs. But that's what we have in this really crappy lock that Jeff Moss sent me. Oh, I love the name. Jeff, thanks for the lock. I really appreciate it, and all the other locks you sent. Always fun to pick. Everyone, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and keep a good sense of humor.